Riddle me this, mother lekker.
Today I am going to explain a math trick of how you can multiply numbers just by drawing lines. Let's say you want to multiply 12 by 13. For this one we will draw one line, and for the 2 we will leave a little bit of space and we will draw 2 lines. For the other number, we will draw lines in the other direction. Now we will group together different lines and we will count the dots. Here we have 6 different dots. In the middle we have 5 different dots. And on the other side we have 1 dot. And that's the answer, 156. We will do another example. For 15 by 21, we start out by drawing 1 line. Then we'll leave a little bit space and draw 5 lines. For the other number we draw lines in the other direction. We draw 2 lines here and 1 line here. We will again group the different lines. Here we have 5 dots. In the middle we have 11 dots. And the other end we have 2 dots. We will need to make one adjustment because we have 11. We will need to carry this one over, which will make 3. And our answer is 315. We can even do this for bigger numbers. For 123 we start out with 1 line and with some space 2 lines. And with some more space 3 lines. And we draw the other lines for the other number in the other direction. We again group the lines. We have 3 dots here, 8 dots here, 14, 8, and 3. Once again we're going to have to carry this one over, from the 14. So that's our answer. It'll be 39,483. You can even use this trick when a number includes 0. But one thing is, when you draw this line you should still draw the line, but put it in a different color or different marking. And the trick will be that we don't count any of the dots for that line, so when we make the grouping, we have 3 dots here. For the second arrangement, we're only going to count the dots for the non-zero lines. So we have 6 dots here. We don't count any of the intersections for the 0 line. In the middle, we again ignore the 0 line, which makes 7. Here we have 2 dots. And 2 dots here. So you can even use this method when you have a number that includes 0. The reason it works is you can even use it for algebraic equations. Let's say you have x plus 2 years times x plus 3 years. We will draw 1 line for the x, and we will draw 2 lines for the 2 years, and we will draw the lines in blue. We will put all the x lines in black and all the y lines in blue. The other number we draw the lines in the other direction, and again we make groupings. So here we have 6 dots, and because both of the lines are blue that means it's y squared. In the middle we have 5 dots, and these are the intersections of a black and blue line, which means it will be an x and a y. On the end we just have 1 dot, and that's for 2 black lines, so it's x squared. So that's the answer.
Riddle me this, mother lekker.